Sorry, but we're unable to refund your money at this time. Crypto Market Talk. Hi everyone. Welcome to Truth TV. In this video, we will talk about collapse of crypto market watch till the end. One of the most dramatic weeks in the brief history of the cryptocurrency market. It was capped off by the kind of news that investors dread hearing from a counterparty the most. We're sorry, but we're just not in a position to refund your money at this time. Between ghosts of previous crises in the previous system frequently shook a budding technocratic industry with lofty goals to overhaul the financial system. It was a week of forced selling, margin calls, and the exposure of significant collateral as being far too illiquid during a crisis. There were rumors of hedge fund failures, stories of opportunistic predatory trading, job losses, and vociferous denials of difficulties from important participants that were quickly proven false. The idea that the new crypto financial system was somehow immune to or even able to benefit from the economic fundamentals currently punishing the old system was dispelled amid all of this. Late on Sunday, a cryptocurrency shadow bank by the name of Celsius Network blocked withdrawals from customers who had made deposits after being lured in by exorbitant interest rates that, looking back, were probably too good to be true. By the end of the week, the digital asset lender Babel Finance in Hong Kong also stopped allowing withdrawals. At Celsius Network is pausing all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. Acting in the interest of our community is our top priority. Our operations continue and we will continue to share information with the community. Both businesses assured clients that they were working on it, and they undoubtedly are. However, rumors are spreading that at least Celsius Network is sinking in what research firm Kaiko described as a layman-esque position. This week's drama is a prelude to last week's drama and the sequel to next week's drama because Celsius's problems demonstrated, as Lehman Brothers did nearly 14 years ago, how linked major participants in the financial system are and how quickly contagion can spread. Numerous observers have noted issues Celsius is having with staked ETH, or STTH, an Ethereum-linked token that is meant to be a tradable substitute for the widely used decentralized currency Ether. After long-awaited updates to the Ethereum blockchain go into effect, every STTH is supposed to be redeemable for 1 Ether. But recent market instability has forced its market value to drop below that amount. Celsius was one among the parties engaged when the US stablecoin lost its peg to the dollar in May, according to Terra Connection research firm Nansen. The incident involving that token, which was primarily driven by algorithms, crypto animals, and unrealistic returns of 19.5% for depositors in the Anchor protocol, resulted in the stunning implosion of the Terra blockchain and the loss of tens of billions of dollars. According to a statement from cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, Nansen's investigation proved that Terra's Anchor program had been a significant source of yield for Celsius. In our view, this likely begged the question of how Celsius could fulfill its obligations without that 19.5% yield, wrote the institutional team at Coinbase. That firm, by the way, said this week it will lay off 18% of its previously fast-growing workforce, joining other pink slip-issuing crypto startups such as Gemini and BlockFi that are struggling amid a relentless plunge in asset prices that's been dubbed crypto winter. The drama ramped up on Wednesday with an alarming tweet that seemed to confirm speculation that had been swirling around one of the most influential hedge funds in crypto, Three Arrows Capital. We are in the process of communicating with relevant parties and fully committed to working this out, one of the firm's co-founders wrote, without revealing any details about what exactly this was that it was working out. We are in the process of communicating with relevant parties and are fully committed to working this out. Jiu-Su, June 15, 2022. The multi-billion-dollar fund's founders told the Wall Street Journal towards the end of the week that they were looking into options like being saved by another company and reaching a deal with creditors to allow them time to come up with a strategy. Both the STTH problems and Terra's demise claimed the lives of Three Arrows. According to the journal, the fund had invested around $200 million in the Luna currency that was used to support the value of Terra's stable coin. In April, Luna traded for more than $119. Its current value is approximately $0. Three Arrows is probably not the first company to have problems related to the subprime mortgage crisis, just as Bear Stearns hedge funds were among the first to identify them. It reminds me of the cockroach theory. If you see one of those disgusting insects crawling across the floor, there are probably many more hidden behind the refrigerator or beneath the sink. Bitcoin Shark Tank. In reality, The hottest trade in cryptocurrency right now involves finding where the roaches are hiding and eating them rather than pumping currencies to the moon with tweets full of rocket ship emojis. Some cunning traders have sent bots to scour blockchains for highly leveraged positions that are in danger of being forced into liquidation because the collateral value is no longer sufficient to support their loans. If they are successful, they receive a 10 to 15% cut of the collateral sale as rewards, which are given out according to automated procedures designed to keep them from going bankrupt. The damage was shocking when it was all said and done after the week. The longest continuous decline in Bitcoin history has lasted 12 days, and early on said it crossed the $20,000 threshold for the first time since 2020. The largest cryptocurrency in the world is currently down more than 70% from its highs in November, when it was close to $70,000 as it flounders against a background of monetary tightening. After trading as high as $4,866 7 months ago, Ether fell below $1,000. An industry that was once worth more than $3 trillion is now only worth less than $1 trillion. The players in the traditional markets at least get to switch their computers off on Saturday and Sunday to get some sleep and lick their wounds, despite the similarities to previous crises in traditional finance as the weekend approaches. Those who have a significant amount of exposure to digital assets will stay glued to their screens as the U.S. approaches a 3-day holiday weekend with forecasts for sunny skies in New York. The deadly blizzard of the crypto winter isn't showing any signs of abating. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.